A true dedication to late P.A. Sangma would be to follow his footsteps and his principles, to always keep the nation first, the people first. These were the words of Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma as he urged people to follow the footsteps of his father, probably the tallest and most well-known leader from the Northeast region to date. Speaking at the 7th P.A. Sangma Memorial Lecture organized by Nehu, Tura campus and the P.A. Sangma Foundation at the District Auditorium, Tura, to remember the Garo leader at his 76th birth anniversary, which was also attended by renowned journalist and editor-in-chief of the print, Shekhar Gupta, as a special speaker. Sangma recalled his father's irreplaceable principles and values which he shared with the people. Renowned and veteran journalist Shekhar Gupta remarked that P.A. Sangma had left too early and that a lot has to be done for the tribal population of India.
Mainstream pan-national politician, because nobody...
I remember small anecdotes, and this is something, of course, very personal, because my late father, myself, Mr. James, and all of us, we used to sit with him, with my mother, and he used to tell us many aspects about politics, and at that point in time, we never gave importance to it. It looked like another lecture that he was giving us. But then when we look back today, those lectures or those discussions became like a guide, a book, a manual on how to be in politics today.
Purno Sangma, one, he left too early. He left too early. He'd be 76 now, which means really left early. He had a lot left to do.